Alright, so me and Big Orange just got started bush hogging today, and we've had us an unfortunate event. We just shattered that shaft. So I'm gonna run back up to Asheville and get my welder. We're just about 30 minutes away, and I'm just gonna weld it like I did that one. These are supposed to provide shock, but I just barely hit that stump, and I'm thinking it's just because this is so old that metal's just had it. So I'm just gonna try to weld it and see how that works out. Step number one, clean all this flammable debris off of here. Most likely this stuff sticks together. Makes it easy to get it out of here. Next step, use this grinder. We're going to clean this up as best we can before we weld it. Okey-dokey. Got that part done. Set the trusty welder up. This thing put back together. Fix this old bush hog. I guess Daddy just gets a new one. Okay, we're on the maiden voyage here since welding the shaft on this bush hog. We need to hold it up. Of course, we're not mowing anything major. Biggest thing is that there's stumps in here left over. I cleared this lot about a year ago with a forestry mulcher. It was as thick as all that in there. This whole field is like that. But I just happened to snag that one stump just right. She's holding together, so y'all wish me luck on this project.